System. The neural system of all animal is composed of highly specialized cells called neurons, which can detect, receive and transmit different kinds of stimuli. The neural organization is very simple in lower invertebrates. For example, in Hydra, it is composed of a network of neurons. The neural system is better organized in insects, where a brain is present along with a number of ganglion and neural tissue. The vertebrates have a more developed neural system. अब बात करते हैं ह्यूमन न्यूरल सिस्टम की. The human neural system is divided into two parts: the central neural system (CNS), the peripheral neural system (PNS). The CNS include the brain and the spinal cord and is the site of information processing and control. The PNS comprises of all the nerves of the body associated with the CNS, brain and spinal cord. The nerve fibers of the PNS are of two types. First, afferent fibers. Second, efferent fibers. The afferent nerve fibers transmit impulse from tissue organs to CNS, and the efferent fibers transmit regulatory impulses from the CNS to concerned peripheral tissue or organs. The PNS is divided into T divisions called somatic neural system (SNS) and autonomic neural system (ANS). The somatic neural systems relays impulses from the CNS to skeletal muscles, while the autonomic neural system transmits impulses from the CNS to the involuntary organs and smooth muscles of the body. The autonomic neural system is further classified into SNS, sympathetic neural system, and PNS, parasympathetic neural system. The third one is visceral nervous system. Is the part of peripheral nervous system that comprises the whole complex of nerves, fibers, ganglia and plexus by which impulses travel from the central nervous system to the viscera and from the viscera to the central neural system. The next part coming soon. Thank you.
Damn.